Here I've got Cubot Max 2 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on System. Here you will notice Date and Time as the third tab. Simply open it and now you can either have automatic date and time, and it can be either network provided or GPS provided time, or you can switch off automatic settings and now you can set the date and also time manually by yourself. Then you can switch off automatic time zone by tapping on the switcher, and then you can select time zone from the wide list of languages. At first just pick the region. As you can see, this list is also pretty long. Let me pick this one. And finally you can pick the format of your clock, so you can either have 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off to 12-hour format clock. Finally, you've got the date format to choose, so click on Choose Date Format and select the one that you like most. So I will pick, for example, this one, and that is all. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, to automatic ones, simply tap on all those switchers and then to network provided time, and from now on it will be all set up automatically. And that's all. This is how you can set up date and time in your Cubot. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.